Today, across the nation, giant aircraft factories are working to build an air fleet second to none. We have pledged ourselves to this titanic job because we know that control of the air is essential to our defense. Defense of the air spaces above our homes and cities, and control of the air over military concentrations established by an enemy.
This video is a little bit different. As I'm sure you guys appreciate at the moment, it's more difficult for us to visit the hangar at Coventry, and we're visiting only when required so we can keep the team safe and work can continue. That said, we're stood on the original north-south runway at Coventry Airfield, which we think is an equally impressive setting for a video. This update is mainly going to be about progress on the wings. The process of restoring the original wings is probably a 2 to 3 month project. The process began with de-skinning the lower surfaces of both wings, a process that is not normally undertaken when restoring wings. I can't think of many, if any, operators in the world that have gone into as much detail as we have in terms of de-skinning the lower surfaces of the wings. We're really lucky that we've got the team, personnel and skills available to carry out this specialist work, and it really is harping back to the original skills of when these DC-3s and C-47s were built in the 1930s and 40s. Once we de-skinned the lower surfaces of the wings, it really was about cleaning, making sure we got all of the dirt, grime and muck off the wings so we can inspect and see whether there was any damage and corrosion and repairs that needed carrying out. It was then down to the careful eye of Ben and Tom, who have got years and years of experience assessing DC-3s and C-47s, to work out what repairs, if any, were required. The wings are almost through painting internally, and the plan is, once we've got all of the repairs carried out, is to go right through to top coat in terms of painting the wings. And that's a significant milestone for the team and the project as a whole, because that will be the first top coat paint that's been applied to any area of the aircraft. So that's going to be an exciting moment for the project. And once the wings are complete, that they will sort of go into storage, ready to attach as and when necessary, and we can get back to working on other areas of the project. You've no doubt seen some of the partners and generous sponsors that we work with throughout the project, and every now and again we like to give one of them a little bit of a shout out, and today that's the turn of Pentland Land Rover in Scotland, who have very generously supported us with the use of a Land Rover Discovery since the start of the project, really. So the vehicle's been used for collecting parts, ferrying engineers and personnel up to Coventry and around about the place as we carry out activities relating to the project. So we'd like to give a huge thank you to Pentland Land Rover for their continued support of our project. As always, a massive shout out to you guys. You keep us going, particularly throughout lockdown, where we aren't able to provide as much coverage and footage of the project as we would like. So thanks for all your continued support, and hopefully as lockdown and restrictions ease, we'll have better access to the team and the restoration at Coventry. We'll be able to provide some more detailed updates and videos. And we've got a few other exciting projects on the go as well, which are obviously more difficult at the moment, but we look forward to sharing those with you. So thank you very much, stay safe and speak to you soon.